Welcome to CarryLinks, your complete bookmark manager. Upon signing up, you will land on this page, which is your private user page. We'll guide you through the essential features and multiple ways to easily import and add bookmarks to your user page. If you want to import your existing bookmarks and have an HTML file with all your bookmarks from any browser, we've got an easy solution for you. Click on the Tools button and navigate to Import, Export Links. A pop-up window will appear. For those unsure about creating an HTML file, check out the video tutorial in the Import pop-up window to guide you on generating an HTML file from any browser. To import an HTML file, click on Choose a File. Then navigate to it and click on Open. By default, only one of each duplicate links will be uploaded. However, you can click here to allow duplicate links. Once done, click on Upload. And just as simple as this, you will see all your imported bookmarks, along with your folders and nested folders. Now, let's say you want to add a link manually. To do so, click the Add button. Then type or paste the link. Choose the folder where you want to save the link. Optionally, you can add your own title and description or click on the Auto Detect button to get the link's information. Then click on the Add button, and you will see the link here. You can also create as many folders as you need. To create a folder, simply click the Create button. Write the name of the folder. Choose the location or keep it at the top level and pick the color. Then click on Create, and the folder will be added here. Beside managing your bookmarks from the user page, your bookmarks will synchronize with the CarryLinks extension. Simply download the extension on any browser, and all your bookmarks are instantly accessible to you. In just a few clicks, you've successfully brought your bookmarks into CarryLinks. This is just the beginning of what CarryLinks can offer in simplifying your bookmarking experience.